Is the consumer electronics industry a good investment? And can up-and-comers like BlackBerry relive its market dominance as seen in the early 2000s? Hi, my name is Martin, Vice Chair of the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, and I'm here today to do a breakdown of the consumer electronics market, specifically smartphones, and how Samsung has been so successful in this industry. The consumer electronics market has proven to be a fast-growing and highly competitive industry. With the economic rise of China and the growing enfranchisement of lesser developed nations, the consumer electronics industry is projected to grow 6.3% in 2021, even despite the unparalleled COVID-19 pandemic. In the industry today, there are three large competitors. This consists of Samsung, Huawei, and Apple, who comprise over 50% of the market share in 2019. Samsung currently leads the industry in terms of shipments, and the figures have been steadily increasing year over year. Samsung's success story is due in large part to its experience, key focus on innovation, and its commitment to corporate social responsibility and its effective supply chain management. Peaking in 2011, BlackBerry, with 50 million units sold, the Canadian company has seen a steady decline in sales, despite record growth in the industry. Learning from their mistakes and looking to their competitors for advice, it is possible that BlackBerry may come up in the future, in the coming decades, as a successful company. Well, with effective and efficient supply chain management, BlackBerry may have a fighting chance indeed. Good inventory management is key to an efficient business practice. The longer a product is in the inventory, the more storage and labor capacity needed. And in the hyper-competitive consumer electronics market, products are regularly refreshed, and therefore cycle time analysis is crucial to inventory management. Furthermore, companies risk things like the bullwhip effect. To minimize that, Samsung uses an accurate centralized management system, which accurately forecasts the demand data to establish as close to economic order quantity as possible. The use of this system allows for the free flow of information along the supply chain, which aids in the management, tracking, and delivery of the product, thereby ensuring cost efficiency. Samsung follows this basic supply chain, from raw materials to procurement, down the various tiers of input, then to the OEM, the original equipment manufacturer, and then to wholesale, retail, and to the consumer eventually. The largest of the OEMs is in Vietnam, but production is also spread throughout India, Indonesia, Brazil, and South Korea. Once a device has been completed, it will be held in the inventory to be either sold by Samsung, as I said before, directly to the consumer or to the retailer. Transport is the most expensive element of logistics. Therefore, managing freight costs through the choice of transport and the location of suppliers is key to managing costs. Efficient management for transport is also crucial to the consumer satisfaction, which it affects timely delivery and production capability. Management of not only the physical item but also data management of inputs and products throughout the chain is essential in transport management. Samsung promotes the use of modular shift transportation and vertical integration in its manufacturing in order to reduce the necessity of transport. Samsung has a heavy focus on corporate social responsibility. They outline on their website what they maintain is a sustainable supply chain throughout their 2,500 suppliers, with the use of the Eco Partner scheme, meaning that for all their Tier 1 suppliers that give inputs to the Samsung's OEM facility, they ensure labor rights, environmental safety, and sustainability, which is intended to ripple down the supply chain. This is done because in the current era, consumers are more likely to respond negatively to poor corporate social responsibility. This could mean potential boycotts, negative press, which would adversely affect the business image. Challenges to the consumer electronics industry include circumstances that may alter or halt the supply of the supply chain and its ability to provide the goods to consumers, or in the demand for the product. This could include natural disasters, pandemics, economic turmoil, and transport failure. In conclusion, the consumer electronics industry is a very good investment, particularly for those up-and-comers such as BlackBerry, if they can consider these logistics fundamentals. Thank you very much, and this has been Martin from the World Davos Conference. Thank you.